I'm Ian Walker. I'm a specialist family solicitor and a family mediator. I qualified as a solicitor in 1992 and decided to specialise in family law at that point. And in 1996 I trained as a family mediator. As a solicitor I'm on several accreditation schemes, so I'm accredited by the Law Society as being an expert in child law. I'm also accredited by Resolution, which is the Family Solicitors Organisation, as being a specialist family solicitor, and I was the first person in Exeter and East Devon to achieve that accreditation standard. I was also responsible for bringing the process of collaborative law to Devon. When collaborative law was first introduced, I liked the idea, and I arranged for a number of solicitors to train through Resolution. As a mediator, I'm currently on the Law Society's Family Mediation Accreditation Scheme. Previously I was a member of the Resolution's accreditation scheme, and I was amongst the first 20 mediators in the country to achieve that standard. I've always been interested in good practice and doing the best job that I can for my clients, and so over the years I've done different things which have been good practice related. One of those was I had a spell when I was a member of the Family Law Committee of the Law Society, which is a national committee which represents the profession on issues of family law. More recently, I was the chair of the Devon grouping of Resolution. I was elected by fellow family solicitors in Devon to be the chair, and I was the chair for 3 years. As a mediator, I was elected by fellow mediators to be a member of the governing board of the Family Mediators Association in 2012. And again, that's another national committee. The Family Mediation Association being the mediation grouping which pioneered the use of mediation in family financial cases. With all these strands, I'm always very interested in how I can do the job better and how I can best meet my clients' needs. As a mediator, it's good to have the legal knowledge which underpins what you're doing as a family mediator, because essentially what you're mediating is in the backdrop of a legal process which is divorce and separation, or the possibility that you could end up in court. So it means I'm acutely aware of the issues from a legal perspective and can assist my clients achieve outcomes which are grounded in the fairness which the court would expect. At the same time, being a mediator is also something which I think has assisted me greatly as a solicitor, because what it means is that I am better able to think about the whole picture, the big picture, and to assist my clients to negotiate where it's appropriate to do so. And when we do negotiate, then to negotiate from a position of realism. I'm hopefully a good listener, and I'm hopefully good at explaining things, which is what clients need as well. I founded my own practice in 2013. There was an opportunity to do this because at the time there was an opportunity to bid for legal aid contracts coinciding with changes to how legal aid was operating. Also, I wanted to find a way to meet the needs of my clients better, and I think the structure that I have, which is hopefully fairly efficient, means that I can charge a lower hourly rate than I would do if I was in a standard practice. So it's a case of combining quality and cost effectiveness. For me, it's really exciting, and I think I can really help people in that way. I'm really enjoying the experience of running my own business and to serving the clients in the way that I want. I don't have to worry about partners meetings or anything like that anymore. It's just really a case of concentrating on my clients and their needs and getting good outcomes to their cases, hopefully at a reasonable price as possible. The benefit to my clients is that they're not lost within a bigger machine where there's different fee earners of different levels and different people doing the work for them. When people come to me, they come to me, and I do the work and I represent them and I deal with their case in the way which is hopefully the best way possible, and that's what they get me. I've lived in Devon with my wife since 1999, and we have 4 children who have all been brought up and go to local schools, and we like living here and the lifestyle that gives us. I think I'm in quite a lucky position in that whilst I'm now able to operate on a small and quite intimate scale, I bring with me the experience of working in large practices and the demands that come with that in terms of the quality of work that needs to be produced in order to meet clients' needs.